Hello makers, and welcome to the third day of the 12 Days of Christmas with Stitchery. I'm Catherine Harris, and today I thought we would make some clear glass ornaments with some fun messages inside. So, let's get started. And to start, we're going to use some clear plastic bulbs that open, a greenery pick, some faux berries, some small wooden beads, hot glue, a felt tip marker, some pretty ribbon, twine, glitter, and some salt. So to start, we are going to start with our small wooden beads, and you're going to glue end to end on the edges that have the holes, just as many beads as the message that you'd like to write on the beads. So I'm just gluing these together, and it doesn't take long for them to dry with the hot glue here, which is actually really nice. So once you have all of them glued in place, you're going to get your felt tip marker out and you're going to write on the message. Here I am doing Noel, and because it will be rolling around, you want to get every edge of those beads. So you can see I'm just moving it slightly and writing it so that it is on all edges of the beads. Now we're going to get our greenery pick and we're just going to cut off a small piece, and because it is in a snow globe style, I want to flock this. So I'm just using some faux snow into the garbage can because it creates a bit of a mess, and I'm flocking that greenery. You're going to let that dry, and then you're going to open up your clear plastic bulb. You're going to put a generous dab of hot glue along the bottom, and then you're going to place your greenery pick inside. And I am actually going to place a stationary berry inside because I want one that sticks close to the greenery pick, and then I want one that has a bit of movement on the inside. Now, one thing to note is you need to make sure that when you put the hot glue in, it is not going over the rim because you need to be able to close it again. So we are going to use some table salt for a lot of our snow because salt looks a lot like snow and is a lot cheaper than glitter. And what you can do to create that nice glittery effect is to get out some of that beautiful glitter and put it in. Next, you're going to put in your wooden bead message and another berry. And then we're going to snap that shut. And because we do not want all the contents to fall out, we are going to place some hot glue just along the bottom ridge of our ornament. And then we're going to take about 10 inches of twine and we're going to put that through the top of the ornament and tie that in place because that will be our hanger. And you can see I'm just shaking it because I want to get my message for the Noel to read through the front. Now that looks pretty good on its own, but we want to zhazha it up a little bit, so we're going to add some ribbon. This is also quite effective in hiding that hot glue that we use to secure the bottom to ensure that none of the salt and glitter falls out. So you're going to start at the very top, leave a little bit of excess, several inches or so, enough to tie a nice bow, and then just go over the entire area with that ribbon up to the top, and then leave another tail at the end about the same size that you left before. I believe mine's about 6 inches. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to tie that into a nice little bow. So it creates a nice decorative element. And there you have it, our cute little farmhouse ornament. And if you use different elements, you can create different styles for this. You can make it super glam with some nice gold and glitter. I really enjoyed making these cute little Christmas balls. They're nice and quick and so versatile. I'd love to see what you guys come up with. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and in the comments down below, let me know what you'd put inside your ornament. If you haven't already, please consider hitting that subscribe button down below. Merry Christmas, makers, and until next time, let's get our Sew-Spiration on.